the start of one more event. This is the 5,000 meters for the men, which has just got underway. The meet record is S. Singh at Kochi, 14 minutes 10.77.
प्रिंस कुमार
We
फोर्थ
still continue
मतलब
to
फोर्थ
talk with
मतलब
MD
फोर्थ
Valsalma out here. In the lead at this point is
इंडिया
Mohit
गेम्स
Chaudhary,
2025
the under 20, 14 minutes 09.71 meet record at Bhubaneswar. And then we also have Prince Kumar from Saharanpur in India. Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi at this very ground in September. He won the 10,000 meters. That's Mohit
और
Chaudhary,
इंडिया का
and along with
ये
him
शॉर्ट
is
वीडियो
Prince
आ रही
Kumar.
है शॉर्ट वीडियो
It'll go on for a long time, and also gives me an opportunity to talk to MD Valsama. The lead in the very beginning, a different strategy. Yes, a different strategy.
Yes, sir.
So it will be between these two.
These two.
Mohit Chaudhary, I saw a lot of him. We were live on the AFI channel when he won the gold in Bhubaneswar in the 500, 5,000 and the 10,000 meters. And we also have Prince Kumar, a gold in Ranchi, All India Police Meet, the 5 kilometers as well. Well, amazing strategy here for these two. So, I asked you this question. Unlike the 100, the 200,
I took over 400 meters hurdles.
was it easy to change from the 100 hurdles to the 400 hurdles?
If the endurance is there, no problem.
No
sir.
problem. That's right.
Because every day 400 meters we are running, 200 meters we are running.
दो इंडिया
Now look at this. Back to the 5,000 meters. Yes. It's going to be a cat and mouse game.
लास्ट में
I think Mohit Chaudhary might turn around and say, my time has come now. But Prince Kumar will obviously want to push him. They're going in for 3 minutes 45 right now. So virtually a long way to go. The senior record is 13:11.82 at Niigata in Japan. And let me remind you that record I'm talking of is by a SAF athlete anywhere in the world. Japan is not a SAF country, so that record was set by a SAF athlete in another part of the world. The meet record in 2008, 14 minutes 10.77 by S. Singh at Kochi. A wonderful place, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir. Yes, sir. Which is
Is that your favorite place?
Kochi. Yes, sir. In Kerala, it is a best place, sir.
Any memories of your performance in Kochi?
No, sir. No, sir. At that time, Kochi stadium has not come up.
Not come up.
Yeah.
Now they have a beautiful stadium.
Yeah, it's a beautiful stadium.
It's still the two Indians absolutely neck to neck, not much to choose. Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. As I did mention, under 20, 14 minutes 09.71. If he does manage to clock that time, he might break the meet record. But Prince Kumar is not one to give up. He's right now in the lead. They are virtually.
We can see the sprint in the last.
That's right. Yes, they still have quite some time to go. This is the 5,000 meters. Plenty of endurance that they need. Valsama has been talking of the word endurance. Today, endurance sports has become very popular.
Yes, sir.
Far end here at the Birsa Munda Football Stadium, hosted the national games. Valsama, sometimes when you are neck to neck, you are from the same country, do you turn around and talk to each other?
No, not at all, sir.
Now look at Mohit Chaudhary.
Yes.
Do you then say, we are friends outside the field, but out?
They are no. They are tight competition.
Yes, tight competition. The Prince Kumar and Mohit Chaudhary. Incidentally, when you talk of the 5,000 meters, Valsama, just going back to this event, the 5,000 meters, where we have had the Ethiopians, the Moroccans,
Correct, sir.
the Kenyans, all of them come so well in the 5,000 meters. Is the second of them, that's Mukesh Bahadur Pal. But these two are not going to give up. Mohit Chaudhary and Prince Kumar. Nepal, through Mukesh Bahadur and Waksan of Sri Lanka. And when you have events.
Running is face was a little fast now.
Yes. Catching up now. Catch me if you can is the mantra for these two Indians. Pal. The advantage, Valsama, I think, of training at high altitudes for the Nepalese.
Definitely, sir. That's advantage is there, sir.
So one of the Indians now dropping to 3.
Oh.
The Sri Lankan Waxan also close on the heels.
He's running fast. Very good.
Yeah.
Great.
Yes.
Yes. They have to sprint.
This.
And only, yes. They have to start sprint.
They have to start sprinting. That's what Valsama says. The Indian starts doing it.
Ah.
That is, I think, Prince Kumar. Yes, look at him, the boy from Saharanpur.
Oh, those are catching up.
The others are carrying. Oh, yes.
It's a very competitive.
Well, I love this. Valsama is doing the helping me with the commentary out here. He looks over his shoulders.
He is back. Oh, good. See, he's leading, sir. Leading, sir.
हाँ चौथे पे
The sprint now comes
Yeah,
from
yeah,
Mukesh.
sprint. Come on.
Yes, that's the word. Come on for the Indian. The Nepalese boy.
Oh,
And
last
the
home-
Sri Lankan.
it's home. They have to run all out. Yes.
What a race.
Yeah,
What a
he's-
race.
Good. He's running fast. Very good.
Yes.
Great, sir. Great, sir.
So Prince Kumar takes the gold. Sri Lanka
came silver.
with Waxan takes the silver.
Our boy in the fourth.
And well, the favorite, I thought,
They had done
Mohit
very good,
Chaudhary.
sir.
Sometimes the favorites also get beaten. Yeah, what a race this turned out to be. What a race this turned out to be.
Superb done.
So if you get races, Valsama, of this nature, the live telecast becomes interesting. The spectators
Thank you,
love
sir.
this. And then the
Others are
finish.
one round behind.
Yes.
Yes, great moment, sir. Once I started the victory.